In this video, we will download and install a famous IDE, that is Eclipse. One of the most commonly used IDE. It is also a multi-purpose IDE. It supports various languages, but most of the Java programmers use Eclipse. So let us download, install, and see how to use Eclipse. Open a browser, then search download Eclipse. Yeah, here is a link, eclipse.org. So you can go on the first link, click on this one. Now here you can get an ID for Eclipse. Get Eclipse ID 2020 and 03. Now again a download button is there to download it from some server. So click on this one, it will start downloading. On the left hand side bottom you can see it is being downloaded. Now it is ready. Just double click on it. It has started installation. Now here are the options to select a language. That is the purpose of installing Eclipse. The first one is Eclipse IDE for Java developers, or IDE for enterprise Java developers, or IDE for C++ developers, and so on, right? So you can scroll down and see the rest. So we want to install Eclipse for developing Java programs. So click on the first link. Now if you see this, it is showing the path of JDK, which is installed in the program file Java folder, JDK 13, right? It is JDK 1.8 plus, means whatever comes after 1.8 version. So right now we have version 13 installed on our machine. So it has automatically detected the path. So how it has detected the path? Because it found that in the path variable we have set it already, right? Then installation folder, this is going to install it in so and so folder. So let it install at a default location. So just click on install and accept the agreement. Installation is going on. Now installation has completed. Just click on this launch button to launch Eclipse IDE. I will close this browser. Here it is asking for selecting a path for workspace. All your projects will be stored in this workspace. So whatever the path is taken, let it be a same path. So launch this one. Yeah, Eclipse IDE has started. Just expand this one, maximize it. A welcome window is open here. From here you can click on new Java project, or even you can go to files and you can start a new Java project. Okay, and a new option is given here. So first option is Java project. All right, so let us click it from the site, create Java project. Now it is asking for the project name, so I will give the project name as my first. This is my first project, and here Java SE for version 13 is selected under JRE, that is Java Runtime Environment. Now click on finish, or you can go on next. Nothing is to select on the next screen. Just click on next. Now it is asking for the module name. Let the module name is also my first. Click on this one. Now the project is created. See here on the right hand side in the top corner, you can see some option that is open perspective. So in which perspective you want to work? By default it is Java, because we have selected Eclipse for Java, right? Then one more thing, you should make sure that go to project and select the properties, and make sure that the compiler is selected, the latest current compiler, whatever the current compiler is, that is selected. See, Java SE 13 is selected here. All right. So Java build path. So this is the path already taken. So Java path is already selected. So if Java is already installed, then it will happen automatically. So you don't have to worry about it, and make sure that you have set the path. Now let us write Java program. So project is ready, but there is no class file here, .java file here. So we have to add a new .java file, that is class file. Right click on this one and say new, and inside new there is an option that is class. So we have to add a new class file. So give the class file name as my first, and on the top above this one you must give package name also. This is mandatory. So I will give package name as small letters my first. Everything is small letters. Package must be given, right? Don't forget, don't miss this one. Then you give the name of a class here. Then whether this class is going to be a application class which will have a main method, yes. So select this option also. Public static void main, this method should be included. So click on this and click finish. Now a file is created and it is already having public static void main method. So you don't have to write main method once again. It's automatically added. Now here simply we will print hello world. That's all, program is ready. Let us run the program. Click on this one. We want to run myfirst.java. Click OK. Yes, it is executed. Here you can see the output. So that's all. These are the steps how to download and install Eclipse and run Java programs in Eclipse IDE. Now, if you want to study more and you want to explore more, you can do it by yourself. And if you are using this IDE, you can explore it further. You find a lot of help online related to IDE, that is managing a project in the IDE. So that's all in this video. Please follow these steps if you are willing to use Eclipse IDE.